In this video, we will show you how to transfer Notcoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. Make sure to follow all the steps in the video to ensure everything works properly. Open the Tonkeeper app on your mobile and then select Receive. Next, copy the Tonkeeper wallet address, which you can use to send Notcoin to Tonkeeper from any exchange that supports the Telegram Open Network, referred to as TON. Next, open the Bitget app. In here, select More. Scroll down until you find Withdraw. Next, select Notcoin. If you don't see it, use the search function to find it. Next, select On-Chain Withdrawal. Here, paste the Tonkeeper address you copied earlier. You will now see that the Toncoin network is selected automatically. Tonkeeper is a non-custodial wallet, meaning each wallet has a unique address on the Ton blockchain. In contrast, centralized exchanges like Binance use a single address for all users and track individual balances in a centralized database. For transfers from a custodial exchange like Binance to a non-custodial wallet like Tonkeeper, you don't need a memo because the non-custodial wallet has only one owner. Just ensure you enter your Tonkeeper address correctly. If it's required, just fill in not required or another word. Now, choose the amount of Notcoin you want to send to Tonkeeper. Remember, there is a fee for every transaction in crypto. It's also a best practice to first test with a small amount before sending a large sum. If everything looks correct, select the Withdraw button and proceed with the transaction. The transfer might take a while, so please be patient and your Notcoin should arrive in your Tonkeeper. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we will try to answer them if possible. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.